the warm welcome I have received from the government and the people of Nigeria on the basis of this crowd here. On my way from the airport, I was met by thousands of cheering Nigerians, which convinced me that I was not only among friends, but I had come home. I was lost here in Nigeria in April 1962. Equally important, as you know, I have been in prison for 27 years. Many governments, many organizations, many individuals called for my release. Loudest in that call was the government and people of Nigeria. Here of the government and people of Nigeria. Nigeria has given us a lot of financial and material support. They have assisted us not only in the form of funds, and in that respect, they have been among the most generous donors to our coffers. They have also assisted us in the form of teachers, doctors, architects, and they have given scholarships to our children to study in the universities of this country.